The struggle of a common man. Small salary, big expensive. Shahid worked in a factory from morning till night. Despite his hard work, his salary disappeared before the month ended. Fuel prices were rising, flour became expensive, and electricity bills kept increasing. Life was becoming harder every day. Many nights, Shahid sat silently worrying about his family's future. But his mother's prayers and his children's smiles gave him strength again. One day, an extremely high electricity bill arrived. Shahid looked worried. His daughter gently said, "Father, we can live with less, but we cannot live without your courage." Those words touched his heart deeply. He decided that difficult times would never force him toward dishonesty. Moral: hard times test people, but patience and honesty keep the soul strong.